Hello guys, Crispy here, welcome back to another video in the second channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing and testing out some DOS speakers. This one is the SoundBox Pro and this one is the Extreme Boom S. We got some specifications right here. It's a 20 watt speaker. We got the battery specification right there as well, 2200 milliamp hours. And yeah, 20 hours of playback time. Charging time is 4 hours. Not too heavy, as you can see, 630 grams. I can notice that it's pretty lightweight actually. And then we have some lighting effects going on right here. Party light, as you can see there. Hands-free. It's a wireless speaker, of course. Yeah, let's just unbox this one first, and then we'll go over this one in the next section of the video. All right, so we got these little plastic thingies over here. Let's cut them like so, and this one as well. Okay, and now opening it up reveals DOS. Also, these SoundBox Pro speakers are pretty high up there in terms of reviews. As you can see, 24,000 reviews with 4.5 stars, and it's Amazon's choice as well. I'm kind of excited that such a big speaker brand reached out to me, actually, because I've never done any speakers tests or videos at all. But well, let's continue here. We got this user manual right here. We can see the specifications once again right there. We can see the buttons and the overview, what the buttons do and the different controls as well. And yeah, it's just a normal user's manual. It will come in the box. That's nice. And now let's take the speaker out, which is okay. Now that I'm holding the speaker alone, it feels heavier for some reason. It's a smaller footprint, of course, than the box itself, so it just feels a little bit heavier, but it's nice. It has some nice weight to it, I guess. Let's open it up. Oh boy, please. Thank you. My god, it almost cut my finger there. Okay, maybe do this with a knife, or maybe do this like properly, not like me. I'm not a professional when it comes to unboxing things, but I like to think that I am. Anyway, we got the speaker itself finally. I can put this to the side. We're gonna go back to it because there's still a charger and so on, but yeah, some nice feel over here. This is plastic, by the way, and we got the logo there. We can see the speakers right there. Very faint looking, but yeah. Okay, we also got these rubber feet. That's nice. It's grippy, I guess. Yeah, it stays in place. Good stuff. And yeah, on the top you can see the little controls, the on and off button. Let's turn it on as well. There we go. All right, can instantly tell a little bass on this. What else is there? This DC in, reset, audio in. Okay, so these are some buttons, I guess, or some ports. Yep, there we go. This is micro USB. Am I seeing that right? Oh, I wish it was USB-C. Okay, anyway, then we have the reset button right there, and an audio jack, and a micro SD card slot, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, that's about it. Ooh, it changed a lot right now. No blue anymore or purple. For the sound test, I'll leave it for the end of the video, or towards the end of the video. I'll get them outside in a little park and try out some music on them as well with a special microphone. Anyway, let's see what else is in the box. This is inside of here. All right, nothing else. And it's probably, yeah, it's the charging cable, micro USB to USB-A. This is a little bit of a shame. I hope the other one is USB-C, because micro USB in 2024, yeah. And here we have the big boy, the Extreme Boom S wireless speaker. By the way, these are both waterproof, IPX6. I think I forgot to mention that with the other one, but yeah, you can splash them. It should be fine, you know. Now, checking the Amazon page for this one, it's right here. It's $100, as you can see, much more expensive, twice the price basically, but it's also much bigger. 60 watt stereo sound, rich bass, IPX6, waterproof once again, 25 hours of playtime. That's nice, and the reviews seem pretty good as well. 361, 4.5 stars, but this one is definitely not as popular as the other one was. Now, taking a look at the back of the box, we have 60 watts, 9,000 milliamp hour battery, very big battery with this one. We got the handle right there. We can charge our devices, as you can see, using this speaker, so it functions as a power bank as well, apparently. Flashing LED lights to sync to the beat of your music. That's cool as well. IPX6 once again, and well, combine two speakers. Interesting, we can combine two of them. Okay, let's continue to the unboxing here. I already removed the plastic little thingies over there, make it a little bit easier, and let's open it up like this. Okay, and that reveals our speaker right there. Super big, this one, damn. Okay, so I should just remove it like so. And there's something else in the box as well. And you know what? With this one, let's start with this little thing over here. Come on, let's open it up. I'm not good at opening things, okay? I never know how to open them properly. Don't judge. This one is USB-C. That's great. Okay, good to see that. And this is a little strap that you can attach to it, I guess. That's nice to see and have it included in the box as well. Let's go to the manual right here. It should be very similar to the other one. Yeah, there we go. We got all of the ports right here, the connections. We got the LED indicators, whatever that does. We got the buttons and controls. Same stuff, specifications once again. And now let's see the speaker itself. Almost there, guys. Oh, I'm just directing everything. Yeah, you know what? I don't care. All right, there we go. Okay, here we have it. So we don't have that soft look from the previous one, or soft plastic. You know, I really like this material. Not sure how it holds over time though, but it feels very soft to the hand. And this one is just hard plastic. Obviously, what matters is the speakers itself. And these ones are huge compared to the other ones, by the way. Look at that size difference. And also we got some speakers on the side here, the subwoofers. Look at that. That should have very good sound actually, just by the looks of it. Got some more specifications here, Extreme Boom S. And that's about it. In terms of the controls, we have them right here. Let's power it on, I guess. Ooh, yeah. That's more powerful for sure. We also got RGB on the sides. And I felt this vibrating as well with just that little sound, you know. And of course on the back we have... Oh, this is soft actually. This isn't, but this is. It's like rubber right here. DC in, power, and USB-C as well. A USB out to charge other devices. The card, micro SD card slot again, and the audio jack. But yeah, that's the Extreme Boom S speaker. It sits like that. This one is the SoundBox Pro. It sits like that, and let's go outside and test out that sound quality next. Alright guys, now we're pretty much in the middle of nowhere, as you can see, ready to test the two Bluetooth speakers. Come over here, I'm gonna turn this one on. And right after you turn it on, this little light over here starts blinking blue, and that means that it is in pairing mode. And we're gonna pair it with my phone right here. Yeah, there we go. It's under the available devices there. You just tap it, pair, and it's now paired to your phone. As simple as that. And now we're just gonna do a little sound test with my friend's band here. Dark Blue, it's their song, one of the latest songs from Insula. And I'm gonna turn up the volume. As you can see, you can also do that in the speaker itself with these controls. Just gonna press play. So I'm really impressed about the loudness of this speaker right here, actually, and the clarity. It's actually pretty good, better than I was expecting. And let's try the other one out. Again, I am no pro when it comes to speakers. I'm no audiophile or anything, but it sounds very good to me. Okay, so the pairing process for the Extreme Boom S was exactly the same as it was for the other one, the SoundBox Pro, yes. Let's do the little test over here. I got it. Oh, no, I didn't have it in max volume. Now I do. And it should be even louder. This one distorts even less than the other one. It has more bass, more clarity. Of course, it's double the price, so it should. It's much louder at the same time. Like, wow. Yeah, I guess these are the best speakers that I've heard so far. I don't really own any Bluetooth speakers, as I told you, and I have not really heard any other brands of Bluetooth speakers, but this sounded incredible to me, actually. I wasn't expecting them to sound this good. So that's it. I'll leave a couple of links down below in the description if you want to check out DOS over here, and I'll catch you in the next one very soon. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye. I hope it didn't distort, because the microphone was very close to the speaker and it was very loud, so don't know how the audio will come out, but yeah, thanks for watching.